Jai Hind and welcome to Micro Tips. Okay, in this video, this is a short video. One question I have received that why we use @ symbol in Objective C. Look at the symbol. Most of them in Objective C we use @. Okay, first of all, @ symbol we normally use to distinguish the compiler that this keyword is for Objective C frameworks or Objective C requirements. Okay, since Objective C is almost uses the C library, C library, C++ library, and its own library, that is Objective C frameworks library. But how a compiler knows that which framework I will use? Got it? Means if I say that printf command, okay, so printf command, what is that? This one is the C. If I execute this line, the compiler will detect no @ symbol. That is, since there is no @ symbol, so it will guess that it's not a Objective C library framework. So it will get the C libraries, okay, and execute the line. It will execute hello. But in this case, what we are using? @ hello. Hello C, hello Objective C. Okay, let's run. Okay, hello C, hello Objective C. Okay. Look at hello C and hello Objective C. So compiler execute both the lines, but compiler understand that this is not the Objective C library, but this is the Objective library. So it takes this statement and this statement and execute as per the Objective C framework structure or library structures. But here it gets no @ symbol or something like that, and no @ symbol. So it thinks that it's not from the Objective C library. So it takes the it compiles as per the Objective C, C compilers or C libraries. It takes the print statement from C libraries and prints as per the. Look at the difference between the execution style. Look at this. Simple prints the output, but Objective C prints date, timestamp, name of the project, and process ID, and this one already. All these information attached to the Objective C, but where in C these are not attached. Okay, so just remember that @ symbol is we are using @ symbol to separate the understanding, you can say that, or to tell the compiler that this statement is for Objective C frameworks or libraries. That's it. So this is the small information. We will discuss more about some small stuffs like nil, id, why we use id. Okay, see you next video. Thank you.